This video you are going to see how to remove my WhatsApp from other devices or how to log out from other devices. Sometimes we might need to log out of the linked devices that we have linked with your WhatsApp account. So just head over to application, WhatsApp application, and just click on the three dots icon on the upper right corner. Then go to linked devices. Here you can see I have linked with a device on my with my WhatsApp. So click on the linked device, and once you click it, option will come overlay on your screen, and there will be two options within log out and close. As we want to log out from it, just click on log out and it will be logged out. And as I currently don't want to log out from here, I'm just clicking on close. And yeah, this is how you can just remove your WhatsApp from other devices. So it is a simple way to do. Hopefully this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any sort of questions, just leave that as a comment below and we'll just get back to you. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.